How does facial access control work? When you approach the facial access reader, it scans and identifies the unique points on your face. It matches these against the stored biometric template in its memory. If enough points match, then identity is verified. This encrypted data is then sent to the LiGuard controller. If identity has been verified, the controller commands to open the door. The data of the event is then transferred to the access control software. It logs the events that have occurred at the facial reader, access granted or denied. This whole process takes less than 0.2 seconds, much quicker than fumbling in a pocket for keys, making facial access control from Almas Industries secure, fast, and efficient.